Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have always had a love-hate relationship with kitchen sponges. Up until now, it's just all love. I found these silicone sponges from Lubrima that are amazing. I like them because they are non-porous, so moisture doesn't lock itself away in this sponge and get stinky. Plus, they are gentle, non-abrasive, so I don't have to worry about leaving scratches or scrubbing any surface too hard that I'll damage it. But these aren't just great for cleaning my dishes. I've used these for several different things. For example, these do excellent at cleaning scuff marks off our wall, and I don't have to worry about it taking the paint off. These work really well in our fiberglass tub surrounds. The silicone really grips and exfoliates that fiberglass, as well as easily pick up those pesky hairs that end up in the bottom of the shower. But guess what else I've used these for? Cleaning my body. Using these sponges in place of a loofah is incredible. They lather really well and they gently not just cleanse my skin, but exfoliate it. I can easily disinfect these by throwing them in the top rack of my dishwasher. I really love this since I am using them for various cleaning purposes throughout my home. They're functional, effective, and they don't stink. I love them. And that's my point of view.